Hello, Internet! Welcome to Game Theory, where, instead of putting a joke here, I want to ask you a question. If your personality were represented by a font, what font would you be?
Hey, you! Yes, you, ugly girl in the bed! Are you having trouble paying attention in class? Is AI just not working for you anymore? Are you sick and tired of that wizard in the forest that convinced you to buy his crystals to help you get better at math and the crystals don't even work? Well, then my name is Calvin Castason, and I am happy to present that Tadpole Productions now has a separate branch for math.
I have lots of time to do my math homework.
Fine. Hi, welcome to Tadpole Math. I'm Kobe Coy, and today we are going to be going over the quotient law. Okay, let's start off with something super duper simple. Okay, so here we're going to be simplifying this equation. So we have 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 2.
2. Such a little number.
And in order to help us visualize how to simplify this, let's just take what exponents do. So, exponents are basically a number times itself, the amount of times the number on the exponent is. So for 2 to the exponent 4, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then, because we're dividing, we're going to put that over 2 times 2. So, in order to help us simplify, we are going to subtract the exponents. So, here we're going to cross out our bottom 2, and now one of our top 2s, and now a bottom 2, and then another top 2. And look, now we have 2 2's left that aren't crossed out.
My god! She's right!
So our ending equation would be 2 to the power of 2, because we subtracted the exponent 4. No, because we subtracted 2 from our original exponent 4. Okay, now let's try it with some fractions.
Fractions?
So we have 3 over 5 to the power of 5 divided by 3 over 5 to the power of 2. And now we're just going to do another little fraction thing to help us visualize it. So we have 3 over 5 times 3 over 5 times 3 over 5 times 3 over 5 times 3 over 5 5 times, and then 3 over 5 times 3 over 5. Now we're going to be subtracting our exponents again. So 3 over 5 minus 3 over 5, 3 over 5 minus 3 over 5, and we get 3 over 5 to the power of 3.
3 over 5 to the power of 3. This is so easy!
And that's our simplification. Now, what if we have a number equation like 3 minus 8? What do we do then? That's not going to be a positive number. Well, it's not, but we have a special trick to help us with that. So basically, our answer for 3 minus 8 would be negative 5. But we can't have a negative exponent. So what we do is we put 2 over 1 like this. Because every whole number is just itself over 1 if we want to turn it into a fraction. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 and we're going to put it on the bottom. And we're going to put our 1 on the top, like right here. And now our 5 isn't a negative anymore. So that way, we can calculate it much easier. And that's how you divide exponents with the same base.
Oh, oops, I stopped paying attention.
Hi, because you made our viewers stop paying attention, we will be replacing you! Say goodbye!
Hi, I'm Sabrina Celsius. And now, since my co-worker is such a nervous wreck, I'll be taking her place and teaching you a little bit more advanced equations, where they have different bases. So, here, how do we solve this? Well, first we're going to deal with our constants, which is 8.3 and 4.0. And we are going to divide them, like it shows in the equation right here. And that gives us 2.075. Now, remember this number, because it's going to be important to rebuilding our equation later. Now, let's deal with the coefficients and the exponents. Actually, these aren't coefficients, these are still constants with exponents. That's minus 8. So, now we're going to take 10 to the power of negative 9, and we are going to subtract 10 to the power of negative 11 from it. And now we get 10 to the power of negative 20. And we can rebuild our equation with 2.075 times 10 to the power of negative 20, and that's our answer. Now, let's go on to our next example. Oh no, there's letters in this one.
Letters?
So, let's deal with our constants first, just like in the last problem. Let's take 8 and negative 4, and we're going to divide them. So, 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. Now, remember that number again. We're going to have to rebuild our equations. Now, this is our variable, x. And we are going to take x to the power of 3 and subtract x to the power of 1. Now, there wasn't a 1 in the original equation, but every number and every variable is always to the power of 1 if there's nothing already there. So, we're going to take 3 minus 1, and now we have x to the power of 2. And we're going to do the same thing with y. 9 minus 8 is 1, but we don't need to show the 1, so we can just write y. And now, here is our finished equation all put together. Negative 2x to the power of 2, y. And that is how you do the quotient law. Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to tune in to Tadpole Pictures every week for more math.
Well, looks like I'm done my math homework. Thanks to Tadpole Pictures Math Help.
This advertisement was brought to you by Tadpole Pictures for math.